I can never ever put into words just how much I love you. No amount of words can ever be enough to fathom the depth of emotion that I feel for you, because that's just how much I love you, mummy, and you know that. I think I say it enough. And I know every year I write you a letter and it's this whole emotional saga, but I didn't want it to be that way this year, because I wanted it to be like us. I wanted it to be fun and stupid and silly, just like us, like you and me. So this year I'm just going to share this one thing with you, which you probably don't know you do, and what kind of impact you have on me you probably don't know, but I'm going to go ahead and tell you what it is tu मला हाक कशी मारतेस. That's the one thing I'm really scared of. Okay, so suppose you're in the other room and I'm elsewhere and you want to call me and you're like Mani, ए माओ, पियू, चिंक्या, ए बेटा, चिंकू, रुशू, अगं डुकराच्या तोंडाची. So that's when मैं पतलून में जुनून, I pull my pants up and run to you, and then my heart races. I cannot forget how much my heart races. That's the scale, you know. Sometimes when I'm too nervous for an exam, I'm thinking, hurry, my heart is racing just as much as it does when mummy calls me Dukracha Tondachi, or by my whole name, which is Vrishali, because you don't call me Vrishali otherwise. So yeah, that is one thing you don't know, and it still does, you know. So many, almost 2 decades later, it still has the same impact on me, because just last December when I came to Hyderabad and तू मला दूध घ्यायला पाठवलीस का काहीतरी आणि मी उशीर केले आणि तू बोलवत होतीस का काय मला ऐकू नाही आलं. माझी असली फाटली. I was so scared कि you called me then, and then later in retrospection I thought, shit यार, ये तो अभी भी इतना डरावना है. So that is the one impact you probably don't know you have on me, or I don't know if you do. I probably do. So yeah, but I really love the fun things that we do. I think we are a great mother-daughter duo. I think I love the inside jokes we have, and how we sit and just silently judge people, and they walk around and we're like, ye dekha, ye uska wo, and then we wink and things like that. And I love all those jokes, and I love how we can talk for hours together about everything under the sun, about our pasts and futures and dreams and possibilities, parallel universe, imagination, हर चीज़ के बारे में हर एंगल से जो डिस्कशन होता है. I love that about us, and I know we can go on till the wee hours of the night despite you wanting to sleep early. I know when we start talking it can go on, and I love that there's never a dull moment, because you don't fall asleep. So, and it takes a lot for you to not fall asleep. So I love that about us, and I love how I can scandalize you with just too much information about certain things that happened, or like just too much information, and you're just like, she Khanedi, she Baba, or the things that you do. I love that. I love doing that to you. मला खूप आवडतं ते. आणि I love that when I bite your cheek and it hurts. I constantly bite your cheek and it hurts, and you want to punch me in the face so hard, but you don't. I really appreciate it, mummy, that you don't punch me in the face now. So there's that I love. I love the shared EQ we have, the emotional quotient we have, that we love talking about books and movies, and then we have you will always get my point of view even if it is different. And I love that, and it's just I think we have just too much fun, and I could spend all of my time all of my time with you, and I just hope I do spend the eternity with you, because you are the beat of my heart, and you're the ring to my laughter, the dawn to the darkest of my nights, that I will have the worst time ever, and I know there'll be a rising sun, and that'll be you. So I love that, and I don't like how emotional this is getting. But we'll stick to the fun because I have a bunch of other people also who have fun stories to tell about you, and we will see that.
Hi Varsha, the best memory I have of you is when we got engaged. We went out and we were talking in the garden. Suddenly one eyelash was falling on my cheek and you carefully removed it. That was a very good moment because I thought this is the girl who will take care of my life because you are so caring. ऐसे बोलते ना कि गधी पे दिल आ गया तो परी क्या
दिल आ गया गधी पे. हाँ.
However, you are Pari in my life. Happy birthday and many many happy returns.
Happy returns to you, वर्षा. विविड मेमरी म्हणजे की लहानपणी असा हाताची मुठ्ठी करायची आणि अशी कानाजवळ न्यायची आणि हर गोष्टीला जा बाबा बोलायची. जा बाबा जा बाबा. ते कशासाठी बोलायची ते काय समजायचं नाही. तर ते तिचं ट्रेडमार्क होतं आणि डॅडीनी तिचा एक फोटो पण काढून ठेवला आहे तसा आणि तो फोटो मला वाटतं त्या अल्बममध्ये आहे, मोठ्या अल्बममध्ये. घरातल्या मम्मीकडच्या आहे की पता नाही, सोलापूरच्या तिथे आहे तो फोटो आहे टिपिकली, पण तो सोलापुरात काढलेला फोटो आहे आणि ही तिची एकदम स्पेसिफिक ट्रेडमार्क होती लहानपणीची. आणि बाकी काय नाही. ती आणखीन एक मेमरी म्हणजे तिच्या स्कूलमध्ये ते क्रिसमसमध्ये ती परी झाली होती आणि एवढी सुंदर दिसत होती. तिला ते व्हाईट ड्रेस त्या टीचर वगैरे त्यांनी दिले होते वाटतं. एवढी छान परीच झक मारेल अशी दिसत होती आणि मी तिच्याकडं म्हणजे तो फोटो मला वाटतं तिने घरी आणलेला. तो फोटो कुठे आता दिसत नाही हल्ली आता, पण तो फोटोमध्ये इतकी छान दिसत होती मला असं वाटतच नव्हतं ही वर्षा आहे का कोण आहे. म्हणजे हे लहानपणी हे माझे विचार तेव्हाचे, पण मी आधी कधी बोलूनच दाखवलं नाही. आता बरं झालं या निमित्ताने मी बोलते. अजून आणखीन एक प्रसंग जो मी वृषालीला सांगितलाय आधी, तो म्हणजे आमच्या दिवाळीच्या नंतरचा प्रसंग आहे. सडनली म्हणजे ॲक्च्युली इट इज दोघींना कन्सर्न्ड आहे आणि त्याच्यासाठी मी भरपूर मार खाल्लाय, धपाटे खाल्ले, आणि ते माझ्याच चुकीमुळे. दिवाळी झाल्यानंतर जे फटाके उडतात छोटे छोटे लवंगी, त्याच्यातली जी दारू गोळा केली आणि त्याच्याने मी तिचा मेकअप केला होता. म्हणजे पार टिकलीपासून कानातल्यापासून आणि बिंदी आणि गळ्यातली माळ आणि सगळं ह्याच्याने मी तिला ते असं टिपक्याने असं बोटाने ती दारू हे करून तिच्या चेहऱ्यावर मी संपूर्ण मी दारूनी रंगवला होता. असं इकडे हे गालावर आणि ओठांवर आणि वाटेल म्हणजे जसं तिचा पूर्ण चेहरा फुल सिल्वर त्या दारू गोळ्यांनी रंगवलं होतं. आणि मग नंतर मोठ्या पराक्रम केल्यासारखं नेऊन दाखवायला गेले आतमध्ये. असा मार खाल्लाय डॅडींचा, खूप मारलंय. आणि मग तिला बिचारीला काय कळलंच नाही की ती आपली शांतपणाने माझ्यासमोर बसून ते सगळं मेकअप करून घेत होती. म्हणजे तिला पण रिअलाइज नाही झालं की आपली ही बहीण काय करते आपल्या चेहऱ्याचं. व्यवस्थित तिने पण बसून रंगवून घेतला आणि मग तिला मी घेऊन हाताला धरून आपलं नेऊन दाखवायला गेले आणि खाल्लाय भरपूर मार असं. तर विश यू मेनी हॅपी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. थोडंसं काय म्हणतात त्याला, सेन्सिटिव्हपणा तुझं थोडंसं कमी कर. लगेच दुःखी होतेस ते बंद कर. आणि काय नाही, हेच तुला सांगणं आहे की तुला पुढचं आयुष्य भरपूर भरभराटीचं जाओ, आनंदाचं जाओ आणि नेहमी तू आनंदात राहो, हेल्दी राहो. हॅपी 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 बर्थडे टू यू.
happy birthday to you. We are not here in Pune. We will be going to a barrage, and you will be all in America enjoying the life there. You please do enjoy to the brim of the life. Okay? And happy birthday once again. Many, many returns of the day. God bless you. बस.
हॅलो वर्षा, ह्या बर्थडेला मी नाही आहे बेटा, मामाच्या घरी चालले. तू एन्जॉय कर, वाढदिवस मोठा साजरा कर आणि व्हिडिओ पाठवून दे आम्हाला. बस. हॅपी बर्थडे टू यू.
Hi Varshatai.
How are you?
Today is what day? Today is our queen's birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Varshatai.
Hello Atya, how are you? We are fine. Atya, you know today's breaking news. Because our favorite Atya birthday is there. Yes, yes. We will sing a song on Atya. Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Atya. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi. Happy birthday. Wish you have many many more.
आमच्याकडून आणि आमचे दोघे जे मागे आहेत ना त्यांच्याकडून पण. ओके, एन्जॉय युअर डे. बाय.
Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday dear Atya.
When it comes to Varshatai, I can go on and on and on and on and on talking about her. In short, if I were to summarize, post-mom Varshatai is like replica mom for me, substitute I think. And memories I can remember were when we used to meet her in Pune, sharing kulfi with her, or विक्रोळीवरून मामाला बघून अंधेरीला जाताना we have made sure we have enough stock of power so that she does not puke. और अजून अंधेरीमध्ये वर्षाच्या घरी असायची, हा तू एक खाता और मी एक खाता, and she used to tell us stories about not to get into unknown waters, or not to play with fire, mess with fire. So anything that is nature that has got a lot of power, so they know some of the teachings. Then I've written many letters to her. One of the letters that distinctly I remember is the one I wrote after I met she first time. I wrote a lot of frustration in that letter. And yeah, there are like a lot of memories. So here's wishing you a very happy birthday. For years to come. And like what they say is everybody comes with a fixed deposit. May your fixed deposit last for many years.
वर्षू वाढदिवसाच्या शुभेच्छा.
अदू बोल.
Varshatai, many happy returns of the day, and I hope you are having a very good time out there, and enjoy a lot. Party is pending from your side. Brushula पण हाय, भाऊजींना पण हाय. That's it. Bye.
बस हो गया. अच्छा.
हाय वर्षू. वर्षाबद्दल आठवणी तिच्या सांगायच्या म्हणजे वर्षा ही आमच्याकडे आधी लहानपणापासून आम्ही सोलापूरला ती यायची. खूप मजा करायचो आम्ही. आणि वर्षा ही सगळ्यांची लाडकी, खूप सगळ्यांची, म्हणजे एवण आमच्या आईपासून परत सातपुते मावशीपासून ती सगळ्यांची लाडकी. म्हणजे त्यांना आईचं आमची सारखं म्हणायची म्हणजे चांदणी आहे वर्षा, म्हणजे चांदणी आहे. तिला आई आमची ते म्हणजे जेव्हा त्याचे गाणं पण तिच्यावर गाणं म्हणायची की भावा बहिणींचे लेकर माझ्या अंगणात भावा बहिणींचे लेकर कसे दिसती फुलं पाखर, असं आमच्या सारखं गाणं म्हणायचं. आणि तिच्यावरून एक गाणं चांगलं आमच्या म्हणायची की ती मला ते आठवत नाही, लाडाची माझी भाजी खेळणं मांडती नाणीमध्ये आणि भिंग झळकी तो वेणीमध्ये. एवढं मला चांगलं आठवत नाही, पण तिला खूप लाड करायची आमची आई. ती खूप लाडकी तिची. ती जे आणि वर्षाची लांब कणी लहान खूप तिचे केस मोठे लांब सरळ असायचे, सरळ होते. त्यामुळे तिला तिचे केस लांब केसल्यामुळे पण खूप कौतुक, म्हणजे केसांचं पण तिचं खूप कौतुक व्हायचं. केस एवढे छान तिचे आहेत, दिसायला सगळे म्हणजे सुंदर, सगळ्यात सुंदर ती होती ना. त्यामुळे तिला सगळे परिसारखं हे करायचे. आणखीन वर्षा म्हणजे सगळ्यात गोड मुलगी आमच्या सारख्यात, सगळ्यांशी हसून खेळून. आणि खूप माझ्यावर खूप खरंच खूप प्रेम करते, आजही करते, आधी पण करायची खूप. आणि तिच्या आठवणी सांगायच्या म्हणजे तिला काय सांगितलं तर कितीही सांगितलं तर ते कमीच पडतात. ती जेव्हा सोलापूरला यायची ना तर तेव्हा आम्ही तिची आम्ही त्यांची वाट बघायची. येणार वर्षा येणार, मेघा येणार, हे एक आनंद वेगळा असायचा आम्हाला. अख्खा एक महिना असा जायचा की आनंदाने भरून जायचा.
Hello Varshadai, happy birthday to you. We have so many good childhood memories. Do you remember we used to go to RSI club for swimming? All of us used to go on cycles over there, and many times I used to come double sit with you. You used to take me double sit on your cycle, and we used to also go to Tati's house in Vanaudi and enjoy a lot over there. At the time of my board exams, you used to take our studies, and we used to give our practice papers, and when the time used to complete for the papers, you used to say snatch and take away our papers. We used to have a lot of fun at that time, and I remember all nice things with you. Happy birthday to you Varshatai once again. Happy birthday Varshatai. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday Varshatai, and may you live longer and stronger as you already are. Rushu has asked me to share some funny incidents with you, and there are many. The reason being, we are Gaidankars, we are naturally funny, and in fact whatever we do, others really find it funny, so we are funny all the time. But I can share some trivia. When I was a teenager or a small boy, whenever Tai was living in Netaji Nagar, she used to call us home and give us all sort of unsolicited advice, and we used to go like that at that time. But now, at the age of 36, I do understand that all her advice was with all good intentions, and I do thank you for that. So that was the trivia. And lastly, इडा पिढा जाऊ दे, बळीचा जीव दे, आमची पिढा तुमची पिढा नदीच्या पलीकडे जाऊ दे. जस्ट मेक शुअर यू चूज अ नदी की त्याच्या पलीकडे ऑस्ट्रेलिया नाही आहे, कारण त्याच्या पलीकडे जर गेली तर ती माझ्याकडे येईल. असं करू नको बरं का. ओके, सो
Hi auntie, happy birthday. Today Roshu is taking a video for you, and this gave me a chance to tell you again how much I love you and I respect you. You have always been a very caring and giving person. You have always welcomed me into your life with open arms. I really love that about you, auntie. No, not everybody can take in people so easily and help them out and without any judgment passed. You have always been there for me when I was going through stuff, and I respect it a lot, auntie. Like just a small hug from you is also a great consolation when I'm feeling low. You can make anyone feel much better by just hugging their worries off. And you're a very good person, and this will always make you attract good things towards you. I hope you have a very, very happy birthday, auntie, and I love you.
Hello auntie, wish you many happy returns of the day auntie. All I want to say is thank you so much for all that love and support you have shown me all through these years auntie. I was this rough and notorious kid before meeting you. You're one of the very few people who actually refined me auntie. And I keep telling you all my stories, whatever happens in my life, Varsha auntie should know first. And you keep listening to me with patience, and you advise me, give me suggestions, and you have really prevented me from falling into many pitfalls auntie. I really thank you for that. And my fondest memory with you is that you used to pack lunch when my mom was in London. You know, you really treated me like your son auntie. And there are many things, this is just one of the million things you have done to me. I really thank God for sending such an amazing and beautiful person in my life. I really pray and hope that you have good health, happiness, and satisfaction in life, auntie. And once again, I wish you a very happy birthday. I know this birthday is very special because you are celebrating it with Khushali in America. And have a great day, auntie. Thank you, and bye.